In the manual, there's a USB drive that contains the driver installation files. Find this USB drive, insert the USB drive into the laptop we prepared earlier. Plug the USB drive into our laptop, then open this PC. Open the USB drive, copy out the compressed file, then extract it. After extracting, remove the USB drive. Then here, open the control box, turn on the power. Then turn this knob up. Then open the software we just extracted. Open it. Install its driver. Click install. After installation is complete, exit. Then go to My Computer, Properties, Device Manager, go to Device Manager. Then check which port it is. It says COM5. Then close it. Then open the software we just mentioned. Open the software, click Settings, select COM5 here, then click OK. Now it's alarming. This is in alarm status. Now it's in alarm status. Then press this button here. Then it says done. Now it says normal. Then return to origin. Click this return to origin button. Okay. Then the machine will move. Then we ls start by testing. First find a piece of wood, then use the clamp to secure it. There's a nut under the clamp. The screw goes into the nut below. Tighten it, then push it inward. Then use this below. Use this star-shaped plate below the star-shaped nut. Then tighten. Same on this side. Now the clamp is secured. Once it's fixed, then we LL carve. Test carve this logo, this image. Move the X and Y. After returning to the origin, move to position the knife in the center of the bow and arrow. Then align the tool again. Okay, now here in the feed rate, adjust a bit more, set it to 100, then move X over. Move it to the center of the bow and arrow. Then for Y as well. Move it down, shift it downward. Then lower it a bit. Alright, Once it's in the center position of the bow and arrow, now we turn on the tool setter. Turn on the tool setter. Insert this end here. Then place this plate underneath and clip the tool with a clamp. Then go to the software, click Height Detection, then click once. Now it will automatically lower for tool alignment. Done. Once it is aligned, remove this, then reset XY to 0. After the tool is aligned for this axis, don't T-reset it again. Just don't T-reset. Tool alignment is now complete, and the coordinates for this axis are here. The coordinates for this axis cannot be reset to 0. Do not click the reset button below. Now we can open it. Open our file. Alright, once it has opened, click Start. Turn on the spindle. Take the tool. The spindle speed can be adjusted here, or on the side machine here. Adjust the spindle speed. Then once it has set, click this start button. Click this send button. And you can turn on the work lights here. We are now in the adjustment process. Then remove the pressing plate.